let me show you how to work a chain stitch. So you have the hook here in your hand and the tail over on your right side. You have the working yarn that I wrap around my index finger, and then I hold on here to the tail. And to work the chain stitch, you wrap the yarn around the hook from the back to the front, and then pull it through the loop on your hook. And there you have your chain stitch. And when you want to work a chain band, you keep repeating this, wrapping the working yarn from the back around to the front, and then pull it through the loop on your hook. And as you can see, this creates a chain band, and you count the chain stitches, 1, 2, 3, not counting the loop on your hook. So if the pattern asks you to chain 5, I will chain 1 more, and then 1 more, and I have a total of 5 chain stitches here on my chain band.